We can give a big applause for the new network director of Synchronize, Mr. Jan-Erik Neumann.
It doesn't matter what you do in life. When you're new to something, you're a little bit confused.
Kui on mingi uus asi, siis sa oled segatud.
Imagine if you jump out of a plane
Kujutage ette, et hüppate välja lennukist,
with a parachute
langevad juhusid
and you have no idea where you are
ja teil ei ole üldse
and you're just landing.
Ja siis te maandute.
Where are you going to go?
Kuhu te lähete?
You know what's smarter?
Mis on targem?
To ask someone who is there who knows how to navigate.
Targem oleks küsida kellegi käest, kes teab, kuidas navigeerida.
It's the same in this business.
See on siin äris samamoodi.
You have to ask someone who has done it.
Et te peate küsima nende käest, kes seda tõeliselt teavad.
Otherwise you're just going to run around like this.
Muidu jooksed edasi-tagasi sihtult.
Nothing will happen.
Midagi ei juhtu.
And the first thing, of course, is to get started to sign up in the business.
Ja esimese asjana siis on ikkagi registreeruda ärisse.
And most of you are, some of you not.
Ja enamus teist on, mõned ei ole.
Then you have to ask yourself, why do I want to do this?
Ja siis te küsite endalt, miks ma peaksin seda tegema?
Set up some simple goals.
Et peaks püstitama mõned lihtsad eesmärgid.
If you want to earn 100 euros a month, it's possible.
Et kui tahad teenida 100 eurot, on võimalik.
If you want to earn 10,000 euros a month, it's possible.
Et kui tahad 10 000 eurot teenida, on ka
But you have
võimalik.
to write it down.
Aga sa pead selle üles kirjutama.
Otherwise, no one can show you how to get there.
Muidu ei saa keegi sulle seda näidata, kuidas sa sinna jõuaksid.
We have a compensation plan, as you know.
Meil on kompensatsiooniplaan.
And it pays out money in a certain way.
Ja see maksab raha välja teatud viisil.
So if you have a goal and a plan, you know how to get there.
Ja kui sul on eesmärk, siis, ja sa oled selle alla kirjutanud paberile, siis on teada ka, kuidas sa sinna jõuad.
Then you have to make a name list.
Siis on vaja teha nimekiri.
A lot of people prejudge other people.
Et paljud inimesed nagu hindavad teisi eelarvamusega.
Don't do that.
Ärge tehke nii.
How can you possibly know what someone else wants?
Kuidas te teate, mida keegi teine tahab?
You probably don't even know your wife what she wants.
Et ei tea isegi vist, mida teie naine soovib.
Or your husband.
Või teie abikaasa ees.
Because everyone deep down inside have their own dreams and aspirations and goals.
Sest igalühel on kindlasti oma sellised tulihingelised soovid.
So if you have, let's say, a friend.
Et kui teil on sõber.
And he works as a CEO with a big company.
Et kui ta on siis direktor kuskil suures kompaniis.
And you know him.
Ja te teate teda.
But you don't put him on the list.
Aga te ei pane teda siia nimekirja.
Because he's a CEO.
Sellepärast, et ta on suur direktor.
But you don't know anything. Maybe he doesn't like to be a CEO.
Jah, aga te ei tea, võib-olla ta ei taha üldse direktor olla.
You know, maybe he's so tired of his work.
Võib-olla ta on nii väsinud oma tööst.
But you already prejudged him.
Aga te olete teda juba hinnanud.
So you didn't write him up.
Nii et te ei pannud teda kirja.
It's just a matter of knowing what to say to someone who is a CEO.
Et see on see, mida inimesele öelda.
Because
Kui on nimekiri valmis, alustate kontakteerumist.
So how do you call a CEO who is your friend?
Et kuidas te helistate näiteks sellele direktorile?
Well, I'm going to give you a very easy tip.
Väga lihtne nipp.
This is what you say.
Nii ütlete.
Let's say Jonas is a CEO.
Nii ütleme, et Joonas on direktor.
I know him.
Ma tunnen teda.
And I call him.
Ma helistan.
Hey Jonas, you're Erik.
Hei Joonas, mina Erik siin.
How's life? What's up?
Kuidas elu läheb?
Oh, I'm so busy.
Mul on nii kiire.
Yeah, I know you're busy.
Ma tean, et sul on
That's the reason I call you.
Sellepärast ma sulle helistasin.
I have something I want you to see.
Et mul on midagi sellist, mida ma tahan, et sa näeksid.
Because I want to hear your opinion about it.
Ma tahan kuulda sinu arvamust.
And since you are this super CEO
Ja kuna sa oled selline super direktor
in this mega company
selles megafirmas
with so much experience
suurte kogemustega
and knowledge,
ja teadmistega,
I want to hear what you think about my little thing.
ma tahan kuulda, mida sa arvad minu väiksest asjast. Et kuidas teha kohtumisi.
The best is face to face, obviously.
kõige parem on näost näkku.
And Estonia is perfect for that because it's so small.
Et Eesti on selle jaoks hea, sellepärast et ta on nii väike.
I think 35% lives here in Tallinn. Right?
Et 35% elab Tallinnas.
You can walk to people here.
Et te võite kõndida inimesteni.
But you want to see that.
Aga te peate neid nägema.
It's very hard to show a business over a telephone.
Ja, et seda äri on raske teha ikkagi läbi telefoni.
People always, you will want to see how they react.
Et on vaja näha, kuidas nad reageerivad.
And if you're new,
Ja kui te olete uus,
you take help from your upline or sponsor who has been in the business.
et peaksite abi paluma oma ülaliini sponsorilt
And let them do the meeting.
ja lasta nendel teha kohtumine.
These are also going to change the start fee a little bit.
Et meil on plaanis ka nii-öelda algust või nii-öelda parandada või muuta.
So for a standard pack,
Et standardpakett,
this price is from 1st of April.
et see on alates 1. aprillist,
It's not now.
see hind, mitte praegu.
It's still 575.
Et praegu on ikkagi 575.
But everyone who joins now,
Et igaüks, kes liitub praegu,
they will get a basic book.
et nad saavad siis nii-öelda raamatu,
It's 18 pages, how to do the business.
kus on 18 lehte, kus on kirjas siis, kuidas teha äri.
You're also going to get 20 of our energy bracelets.
Et saab 20 siis nii-öelda seda energia käerannet.
This is the energy bracelet.
See on siis see ranne.
And we're going to demonstrate it later.
Et seda me demonstreerime hiljem.
But let me going to be a Spinglo, a hard copy book. You've seen the old one.
Et siis on nagu nii-öelda see raamat kaasas.
There is not a single network company who has launched a website in 16 languages.
Et ei ole ühtegi teist nii-öelda interneti sellist poodi, kus oleks 16 keelt.
Maybe Soome.
Võib-olla Soome. Mida kasutada taha?
Now you choose your language and then you choose to log in.
Valite keele ja siis logite sisse.
And you use your username in Spinglo.
Kasutate oma Spinglo nime.
And your password.
Ja oma kasutajatunnistus.
Then it will collect the information automatically from the database.
Ja siis ta avab teile
and find you.
Ja otsite üles.
And here you can see if you did some shopping, you know, your address. I don't even know what it says here because I don't speak Estonian. I'm a little bit confused. Here you can find products, obviously, read a little bit about them.
Siia iga toote kohta on siis kirjutatud väike kokkuvõte.
Here you see which countries we deliver to.
Seal on näha, mis maades turundatakse toodet.
So we even send products to the Vatican.
Vatikani ka tarnitakse.
That's cool, huh? Italy. But not all over the world.
Aga mitte üle kogu maailma.
But Estonia is there.
Aga Eesti on see.
So, and this works flawlessly with the cards system provider here.
Et seal on siis seosed ka nii-öelda kaardisüsteemi.
We're also going to put in PayPal in a couple of days.
Et sinna tuleb PayPal siis mõne päeva pärast juurde.
Some people have that.
Et inimesed võivad seda kasutada.
Like 200 million people in the world.
Nagu 200 miljonit inimest maailmas.
So it's kind of good maybe to have. So this is how it works. Here you have the coffee website.
Järgmine.
He is the CEO of our Nordic Health Department.
Järgmine inimene siis, kes on siis meie Nordic Health nagu osakonna.
And he also speaks Finnish.
Räägib inglise keelt.
So if you want to speak Finnish to him, you can talk to him in Finnish.
Et kui tahate rääkida inglise keele või soome keeles, siis ta räägib.
Soome, yeah. He's also a certified health coach.
Et ta on nagu sertifitseeritud tervise selline treener.
Kiitos.